Yo, yo, yo. What up, family? It's your boy CP. You already know the adapter. So let me stop making my intros long and let's get to business. Alright, let me remove these items. Okay, so like last week, I had anticipated that that price was gonna come to as low as 109.5. I said that in the video, but unfortunately it came to as low as 109.8. But that's not unfortunate, but it is unfortunate in a way, because my analysis didn't play out properly. But with that being said, we can continue. Okay. All right. So what do I think would happen next week? Okay. Let me see how the weekly closed. Let me remove all of this. Okay. So the weekly closed with a doji. Nope, not even a doji. What's this? I think it's I have arrows here. I don't know what exactly it is. Let me remove this other arrow. Alright. Yeah, the weekly closed like with the bullish doji. It almost became a hammer, but yeah, it's a bullish doji. Okay. And then our daily closed with like almost an engulfing candle, but it's still, yeah, but it's bullish. But I'm not saying we can now take longs yet. Nah, I never said that. Okay, now let's get to 4 hour. All right. Okay. So now what do I think is going to happen? Okay. Well, let me rearrange these things. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Well, I took that highest point there. Took that highest point, then hit it up with this point here. Yeah. So now I took this point, and this point. So now what I do is I expect. Okay. Now there are two scenarios here, right? This is a high, came down to form a lower low, came to form a lower high, came down lower low, lower high. So maybe this price may come down to 109.5. You know what I mean? It may come down to 109.5. But also again is if we get a candle, a 4 hour candle that closes above this red trend line of ours, if you get a 4 hour candle that closes above it, then now we can see we're going long, right? We're gonna go long up until when? Because someone's gonna ask me, yes, we're gonna go long, but how long will we go? Or should I say, which target should I put? So I'm gonna take that high, take that low. Alright, then I put on the 0.618, but to be sure 0.5. So I'd say if a 4 hour daily closes above this trend line, then we're going as high as 1.12. Yeah, 1.12. I got you. So yeah, let me remove this. So yeah, either if it continues, then I'm gonna come down to 109.5. But also again, if you break through and we have a closure above here, then I can see price coming to this high here. Yes, so we just have to wait for confirmation. But I still believe we're still on a downtrend. But yeah, we'll see. We'll wait for a bounce or breakout. So yeah, that's UJ, Euro USD, US. Okay, Euro USD, we get to let me say weekly. Alright, let me let me remove these other things. Okay, so on the weekly, let me remove, okay, wait, things on the weekly. Okay, first of all, before I get to weekly, let me show you how this one played out. Well, I think it was around here. I said it may come down and go up, or immediately go up, and then I had also Fibonacci, so it managed to reach that target and even past, and then it continued going down. But yeah, so I wanted to just tell you guys that. So now we get to the weekly. Let me just remove these other things. Okay, on the weekly is I see a nice, yeah, I see a nice, I wouldn't say it's an inverse hammer, but because it's still bullish, so it could indicate it could indicate bullish momentum, right? So yeah, I'm still saying we're going long, to be honest with you. Okay, then we have our daily. So now if we have our daily like this, let me zoom out and show you guys something. If we have our daily, let's take the highest points. This was our resistance. Why I say resistance? Because of this highest point it has once reached. So yeah, let me just make it like dark blue or something. Okay, that's our daily, right? So now our daily looks like, well, we're going down. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Looks like we're going down, but yeah. So now we get to 4 hour. We get to 4 hour. Price has managed to. Let me just do this. Yeah, price has managed to retrace back to this monthly level here, which is the blue, the big blue support here. Okay, now, well, what do you expect to happen next is, okay, let me get a trend line. Let me get a trend line from here. Well, okay, we got the breakout and then the retest. We got the breakout here and the retest there, right? So now I'm also confused as to what can happen, right? Because price always needs to come back and retest the previous resistance, which is now turning to support. So now this resistance right here, let me remove this big one. Let me show you guys some. This one here, basically. So now it came back and retested. So I'm still assuming longs, to be honest. But I mean, I could take a long, right, when the market opens, and just put my stop loss. I think maybe like 50 pips below. You know what I mean? 50 pips or even 60 pips below, and just hope that we're going up, because I still suspect a bullish momentum. You know what I mean? Because I still assume we are still going up. This was just a correction, but we're still going up, right? So now up to how long? So now up to how long? Okay, let me get the fib. Take this high, take this low. Okay, so now what I expect is price to continue going up to this 1.20 level. But also again, if we ever fall down, I'm not going to enter any Euro USD shorts, but I look for USD JPY longs. You know what I mean? And it also, UJ is also correlated to Euro USD and gold, right? So you can always have a clear understanding if you look at the three pairs. So yeah, well, that's my forecast for this trade. So yeah, because if you remember well, the other week, I mean last week, we opened around somewhere. What's that? I think we opened around somewhere. Who is it? Yeah, we opened somewhere around here, and I was somewhere around here. Then price went up and everything. So then I managed to get my my retest of the previous support, which is here. So now I can expect us to go higher. Well, that's my forecast. We're going up. Then we get to XAUUS. And alright, there we go. We out here. Oh my god, I don't know what happened to this. Alright, I still have. Okay, now let's start with weekly. So let me remove all of this. Weekly, we closed bearish. Okay, that's something we need to wonder why we closed bearish. Why we closed that could also indicate it could also indicate what's this? It could indicate that the USD maybe starting to gain value. That would mean Euro USD going down and UJ or USD JPY going up. So yeah, let me not waste the time. Let's go. But in the meantime, let me just. Okay. Daily looks like we're going up. We're going down. 4 hour. Okay. 4 hour. Well, time to analyze, right? Let me see something. I actually saw something interesting, but let me just do this. Alright, there we go. There's something I just saw which is very interesting. First bar, I mean the low went up, made a higher high, higher low, went up, made a higher high, higher low here. So maybe I can expect the price to go away. Okay, let's see. Wow, I think maybe I just saw something. I don't know. To the top. Okay. Well, the fibs they're not showing me anything that much, but oh wow, even these arrows, yeah, I still expect price, you know, to come down to I mean to go up to 1289, you know, or you could just take your longs, put your stop loss by 1250, you know what I mean, 1250, and hope for 1290 in the long run, rather than, you know, we go 2 or 3. Yeah, because but if at all, because also again, you know what I'm saying, because right now we are at strong support, right? And then see this is the support, this part, and this part, and it looks like a strong area, you know what I mean? So I wouldn't want us to be saying we're shorting just yet, not yet. We'll short once this thing, once this line breaks the trend line, this trend line. So yeah, that's my analysis for the week, guys. Let's see how this coming week what we got. We have NSD. NSD. I even need to worry about that. Tuesday we don't have any high impact news. Wednesday we have crude oil and we have New Zealand official cash rate and statement. Okay. Thursday we have NZD. Then we have GBP manufacturing production. Then we have USD PPI. Okay. And unemployment claims. Then on Friday we have Aussie dollar. RBA government law we speaks, and then we have USD CPI and core CPI. So I mean, this week we good. You know what I mean? All we just gotta do is just catch these pips. So guys, stay safe. Happy trading.